I have a new product. This is Tesla door lock cover. Let's go ahead and install it. I have 4 of them. Here is my Tesla. And here is the area. We're just gonna go ahead and put. I have 4 of them. Let's take it out and see. They have 3M tape, 2-sided. I really like the quality. Let's see. Oh, perfectly fits. The only thing what we need to do is take out the cover. First of all, you need to clean this area around it. Alrighty. Then we're gonna go ahead and take out the cover like that. And then press it right there. When you put it over here, you're just gonna open it like that and close it. Same thing, same procedure for each side. Now we're good to go. There you go. And we're gonna go ahead and put it right there. That's it. Now we're good to go. Let's see it. It covers everywhere. Now I'm done with everything. All the doors. Perfect. Definitely suggested. Here is the front side. Like that. And it's not gonna block anything.